This video is for educational purposes and does not constitute any financial advice. Do your own research before investing in any crypto investment projects. The rise of Dogecoin, exploring the popularity of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency. In 2013, a cryptocurrency that started as a joke was created, named Dogecoin. It was created by Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus, but no one could have imagined how it would become one of the most talked-about cryptocurrencies in the world. Today, Dogecoin has a market capitalization of billions of dollars, and its popularity continues to soar. In this video, we will explore the rise of Dogecoin and examine why it has become such a popular meme-inspired cryptocurrency. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Part 1. The origins of Dogecoin. Dogecoin was created as a joke in 2013, but it quickly gained a following. It was inspired by the Doge meme, which was popular at the time. The Doge meme featured a Shiba Inu dog with captions in broken English that were meant to be funny. Palmer and Marcus wanted to create a cryptocurrency that was lighthearted and fun, and Dogecoin was born. Part 2. The popularity of Dogecoin. Dogecoin's popularity exploded in early 2021 when Elon Musk began tweeting about it. Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, is a well-known fan of Dogecoin and has been vocal about his support for the cryptocurrency. His tweets caused the price of Dogecoin to skyrocket, and it quickly became one of the most talked-about cryptocurrencies in the world. Part 3. The future of Dogecoin. The future of Dogecoin is uncertain, but many people believe that it has the potential to become a valuable cryptocurrency. Its popularity has led to increased adoption, and more merchants are beginning to accept it as payment. Some experts believe that Dogecoin could become a viable alternative to Bitcoin, the world's most popular cryptocurrency. However, others caution that the rise of Dogecoin could be a bubble that will eventually burst. Conclusion. In conclusion, Dogecoin's rise has been nothing short of incredible. From its humble beginnings as a joke cryptocurrency, it has become one of the most talked about and popular cryptocurrencies in the world. Its success has been driven by a combination of factors, including its lighthearted nature, celebrity endorsements, and increased adoption. While its future is uncertain, there is no denying that Dogecoin has left its mark on the cryptocurrency world, and its popularity shows no signs of slowing down anytime soon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching.